Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can increase the WP memory limit in Hostinger. First you need to log in your Hostinger account and here put your login credential. Click on login. Then go to the top bar, click on website and select your website. In my case I would like to choose this. Click on manage. And here you can see file manager. Click on this. Now Hostinger file manager will be open within a few seconds. Now it will be redirecting. Okay, now double click on public HTML and scroll down, and here you can see wp-config.php. Just right click and click on edit. Okay, and then scroll down, and here we need to find out this line. It's called add any custom value between this line. Okay. Now we need to paste a code here. So I am just going to copy the code, and this is the code called define WP memory limit. So copy this code, go back and paste it here. Define WP memory limit. Now on the top right corner here you can see a save icon. Click on this and save. So this is how you can increase WP memory limit in Hostinger. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button.